How to delete your Cash App account. First, there is one crucial thing you must do. Look at the bottom left corner at that little bank icon. If you have any balance there at all, make sure to withdraw all your money to your personal bank first. You definitely don't want to leave any cash behind before shutting it down. Once your balance hits zero, we're good to go. Head up to the top right corner and tap your profile icon. That brings you right here to your account page. Scroll down just a little bit into the Account and Settings section and tap on Support. From here, tap right into the Search Support bar at the top. Go ahead and type in Close Account. You'll see the very top option pop up saying Close your Cash App account. Tap to get started. Let's go ahead and select that. Now, Cash App is going to show you this quick disclosure screen. It's just letting you know that closing it will disable your cash tag, block any new incoming payments, and log you out of everything. Because they're a financial institution, they legally have to keep a record of past transactions, but your active account will be totally shut down. If everything looks good to you, just hit that bright green Confirm button right at the bottom. And just like that, your account is fully closed. From here, you can go ahead and delete the app from your phone or create a brand new account down the road if you ever need to. I really hope this quick walkthrough saved you some time today. If it did, definitely check out the next video popping up on your screen right now for more straight-to-the-point tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.